In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to master MailerLite basics, from navigating the dashboard to creating your first campaign, so you can confidently use this intuitive email marketing platform to grow your audience and automate your marketing. MailerLite is designed to balance simplicity with powerful tools like a drag-and-drop builder, contact segmentation, and multi-trigger automations, making it an ideal choice for businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs who want professional results without a steep learning curve. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. We're going to begin with the core dashboard, which acts as your main command hub every time you log in. When you first open MailerLite, you'll see an overview of your subscriber growth, forms performance, and recent campaign metrics all in one place. This is your bird's eye view, and it's designed to give you quick, actionable insights at a glance. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout because everything else you do will branch off from here. The left-hand sidebar is your navigation menu, and it's where you'll find the 5 key sections you need to know: campaigns, subscribers, forms, sites, and automation. Each one serves a specific purpose, and understanding what they do will save you time and frustration down the road. Let's break down each section so you know exactly where to click when you need it. First, campaigns. This is where you design and send individual newsletters, broadcasts, or anything you want to push out to your audience manually. It's the heart of your email creation. Next, subscribers is your portal for importing contacts, defining targeted lists, and viewing engagement histories like opens and clicks. This is where you manage who receives your messages. Then we have forms, which lets you create pop-ups, embedded sign-up boxes, and shareable promotion links to grow your list organically. Sites is a handy workspace that includes a built-in website builder and standalone landing page generators, so you can create a simple web presence without leaving MailerLite. Finally, automation is your engine for mapping out sequential action-triggered email workflows. Think welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, or birthday offers. These 5 sections are the building blocks of everything you'll do, so I recommend clicking through each one now just to see the interface, even if you don't make changes yet. Now, let's move into creating your first campaign, which is often the first real task new users tackle. When you build out a manual email, you'll start by configuring your subject line, selecting your sender name, and attaching a pre-header text snippet. A common pitfall here is overlooking the pre-header, that short line of text that appears right after the subject line in most inboxes. It's prime real estate for adding a compelling teaser or a call to action, so never leave it blank. MailerLite offers 5 explicit campaign archetypes, and knowing which one to use will make your life much easier. The regular campaign sends a single broadcast email to a select audience. This is your standard newsletter. The A/B split campaign lets you test 2 email variants to find the higher performer so you can optimize subject lines or content over time. The auto resend automatically targets users who missed the first send, which is a smart way to catch people who are busy or just didn't open. The RSS campaign automatically emails your subscribers when a linked web feed updates, perfect for bloggers who publish regularly. And on paid tiers, you get multivariate testing, which examines multiple design variables simultaneously for deeper optimization. For beginners, I recommend starting with a regular campaign until you're comfortable, then experimenting with a /B and auto resend as you grow. Let's walk through a regular campaign from start to finish so you see it in action. Click on Campaigns in the left sidebar, then select Create Campaign. Choose Regular from the options. You'll be prompted to enter a campaign name for internal reference. This won't be seen by subscribers, so make it clear to you, like March newsletter. Then you'll pick your sender details, your name and email address. Always use a recognizable sender name like your business or personal name, because subscribers are more likely to open emails from someone they trust. Next, write your subject line. Keep it concise, engaging, and honest. Your pre-header goes right below, so I like to use it to reinforce the subject or add urgency, like open this for a special offer inside. Now you'll choose your audience, the subscriber list or segment you want to send to. If you haven't built a list yet, you can create a new one from the subscribers section. Finally, you'll design your email using MailerLite's drag and drop builder, which lets you add text, images, buttons, and more without coding. A best practice is to keep your layout clean and mobile friendly, since most people open emails on their phones. Preview your work, make any tweaks, and hit send. Before you wrap up, let's talk about a few expert tips that will set you up for success. Always send a test email to yourself first to check for broken links or formatting issues. Also, look at your campaign analytics after sending. MailerLite shows open rates, click rates, and unsubscribes, which are gold mines for improving future emails. And don't forget to clean your subscriber list periodically by removing inactive contacts, because high engagement rates keep your deliverability strong. So, to recap, you've learned how to navigate the MailerLite dashboard, understand the 5 core sections, and create a regular campaign from scratch. By mastering these basics, you now have the foundation to build targeted email sequences, grow your audience, and automate your marketing with confidence. I'd encourage you to explore the automation section next, and try setting up a simple welcome workflow. It's one of the most effective ways to engage new subscribers from day one. If you found this guide valuable, please like and subscribe. And feel free to save this video so you can revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.